Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Fidelity Investments app. First, download the Fidelity Investments app from your device's App Store, available for both Apple and Android. Once installed, securely log in using your existing username and password, or utilize biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for quick access. After logging in, you will immediately see your personalized dashboard, providing a comprehensive overview of all your accounts and their current balances at a single glance. Once logged in, navigating your accounts is straightforward. Tap on any account to dive deeper into its specifics, viewing your current portfolio value, individual holdings, and performance over various periods. You can easily track your cash balance, ensuring you always know your available funds. Additionally, review your recent transaction history to keep tabs on all deposits, withdrawals, and trades, providing a clear financial picture right at your fingertips. The Fidelity app makes investing simple and accessible. You can easily search for a wide range of investment options, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. Placing a buy or sell order takes just a few taps, allowing you to react quickly to market changes. For long-term goals, consider setting up recurring investments, which automatically transfer a chosen amount, perhaps $50 or $100, into your selected investments on a regular schedule. Finally, the app offers robust tools for managing your preferences and getting support. You can customize various settings, such as notification alerts for market movements or account activity, and enhance security with two-factor authentication. Explore a wealth of educational resources and market insights to help inform your investment decisions. Should you need assistance, direct access to customer support is readily available, ensuring you always have help when you need it, 24 hours a day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.